right, so the last level 3 task is task 18. For this task, you are going to be looking at different rates for different real-world situations and figuring out which one is a faster, or sometimes you might be looking at which one's a slower rate. For the first example, though, it says, suppose that on a Saturday morning you can cut 3 lawns in 5 hours, but your friend can cut 5 lawns in 8 hours. So who is cutting lawns at a faster rate? So for this problem, you're going to set up rates for both you and your friend. So for you, you can cut 3 lawns in 5 hours, and your friend can cut 5 lawns in 8 hours. So now just having the rate written like this makes it a little difficult to determine who is cutting the lawns at a faster rate. So what's going to help is by finding the unit rate. So we're going to divide. So you always divide to find your unit rate. So for me, we're going to divide 3 divided by 5, which gives me an answer of 0.6, and I'm going to label this lawns per hour, sorry. So you can cut 0.6 lawns in 1 hour, and we're going to do the same thing for your friend. So 5 divided by 8 gives us the answer of 0.625 lawns per hour. So now this makes it a little bit easier because both of these we're comparing it to 1 hour. So looking at these numbers, we can see that your friend is a little bit faster by 25 thousandths of an hour. So to write our answer, we're going to say my friend can cut lawns at a faster rate. All right, so the rest of these problems are very similar to this. You're going to set up the rates and you're going to divide to find the unit rate, and then that makes it much easier to compare to figure out the answer to your questions. Please pay attention though, because there's a couple tricky ones in here where the measurements are not the same. So if one is talking about hours and the other one is talking about minutes, you first have to go back to what we did in task 17, and you have to convert that to have the same measurements before you can actually compare them. All right.